You didn't vary up your task, you didn't keep your brain interested with change. The things you love to do now feel like a chore. Nothing works anymore.
Just so we are on the same page, we're talking about this, not this. Burnout is something everybody experiences. It's a common thing that haunts artists especially. So why does burnout happen? Why do you feel sluggish and put off when you are doing something you know you love doing? The answer is simple: repetition. And this is amplified if said repetition is done without a set goal. It's like driving a car to nowhere. Imagine your brain to be like a machine. Run this machine non-stop for 2 days. You're gonna start feeling like the whole world is against you. Suddenly your parents are more annoying, your partner is too clingy, and the table lamp that never bothered you before is now getting in the way of your thinking space. This is called irritation. That is step 1 to making a time bomb. Let's see what fantastic things are in store for us next, yeah? Now, instead of focusing on one thing, there's 5 things. From 100% of your energy being put into one thing that matters, it's now split between the 5 things. Deadlines approaching, you're lacking in sleep, your neighbor's goldfish won't shut up, and then, before you know it, deadline's the next day and you got nothing done. You productive little scamp, you just used 2 dang weeks lying to yourself about how much closer you are to the end. Now that's step 2 of disaster: denial and overconfidence. What happens next? You crash and burn lah, that's what. You didn't vary up your task, you didn't keep your brain interested with change. The things you love to do now feel like a chore. Nothing works anymore. And this is step 3, you die. Okay, for just a few days to a week maybe. Mine lasted for 2 weeks once. Horrifying. So how do you counter burnout? It's very simple. Embrace it. When you feel your work isn't as best as it could be, it probably isn't. And that's a sign that it's coming. Just let it happen. Don't fight it. It's like Tai Chi, redirection of force. When you feel the burnout coming, let it come. Redirect your energy into something else like a second hobby, sports, games, whatever. And when you start to feel inspired again, pick up whatever that needs doing and get to doing it. Okay, so I'm a workaholic. I love working. But even then, my mind starts to break down after a month of constant strain. You and me, we're just human. Our tolerance to repetition may be different, but doing the same thing multiple times at high production rate is bound to get to your head. What happens when you pile too many straws on a camel's back? Correct. It drops all of it, eats it, now you have no straw and a stubborn camel. Why you pile so many things on it? So same question goes to you. Why burden your brain with so many things? But my brain isn't a camel. Sir/madam, you stop watching this right now and go sit in the corner. The rest of you, pay attention. Stop working yourself into the ground. If you've worked hard, give yourself a break. Rest well to work hard again another day. Don't use up everything in one go and be out of it for 2 weeks. We're in a time where productivity is more important than ever. However, nobody talks about the resting part. Work is important, yes, but so is your health. Even God rested on the 7th day. What more us humans, right? I didn't come back more sarcastic. I'm just at a peak level of productivity, which means my burns are extra fire and my jokes are extra mean. I apologize for nothing. Is my burnout coming? Subscribe to find out.